Welcome to M.Goldman channel and watch subtitles to my video in any language using auto translator in video settings. MT4 and MT5 are the most popular platforms as of 2022. Both have a lookalike GUI, but MT5 offers more features than MT4. You can download MT4 or MT5 application from respective MetaTrader website, or you can just go over to your broker's website to download the same for your PC, Mac, iPhone or Android. And if you don't want to download the application, you can click on web trading option to open an interface where you can carry on the trading after filling in the login credentials received from the broker, and further you can save the link in your bookmarks for future reference. But trading from application is a better choice than a web browser. And if you have already downloaded and installed the application, just double click the icon to open up the window where you can log into the trading account by simply clicking onto the account section and filling in the details of the accounts as received in email from the broker. MT5 is a cross-broker platform where you can open multiple accounts with same or multiple brokers. Just click on open an account, type in the name of your broker, scan and fill in your login credentials with that broker to start trading on that account. However, at any given time, you can trade from one account, but shifting over to another account is pretty simple from the navigator window by just double-clicking onto the next account. I am initially going to clear out all the workspace here and gradually build them up later for ease of your understanding. All the user commands have been placed under 4 main menu headings at the top. We start by bringing up our status bar. On the right bottom screen, you can see your connection speed, and in case of a problem, you can change your broker server just by a double click. From the view menu, let's bring back our toolbars, namely standard, line studies, and time frames. You can customize your toolbar with the right click of mouse. Let's say in case of a time frame, we customize it, and here you can see various time frames which we can insert or remove from the toolbar. However, note that MT4 has only 9 time frames, whereas MT5 has 21 time frames for chart display. Now let's bring our market watch window to display. Here you can see long list of tradable pairs with bid and ask prices. I would suggest that you hide them all and select only pairs of interest by double clicking onto the symbols and keeping the window clean. You can create quite a few charts from within the symbol window, and by dragging the symbols onto the screen, or you can just right click and create chart window, as you're seeing that I am doing the same. And you can see quite a clutter over here which can be arranged simply by clicking onto the arrange windows, and it will automatically arrange the charts for you. You can close the undesired charts by simply closing the window of the respective charts. Also, you can rearrange the symbols below the chart area and pressing auto rearrange button on standard toolbar to display the charts in required sequence. You can change the color scheme of the chart simply by right-clicking onto it and selecting properties, where you can select the color of each item as per your choice, or altogether select a scheme from the chart and select OK, and it gets applied. Let's add navigator window from view menu, and you can adjust the windows to size of your choice. Just below accounts, you can see indicators, expert advisors, and other services. Indicators basically help you in carrying out technical analysis, whereas the expert advisors give you signals and are also used for auto trading. If you open up the indicators, we can simply, let's say if we want to add some indicator to our chart, we select volumes, and here we have just dragged onto one of our chart. We can set the parameters as well as to our choice, and let's apply it. and here you can see that an indicator has been applied. You can even delete the indicator from the window just by right clicking onto it. You can also build custom indicator for MT4 or MT5 platform using metadata, where you can write your own code with MQL4 or MQL5 language respectively. Inside the navigator window, below the indicators and expert advisor, you can find a marketplace where you can buy indicators and expert advisors, and how they work you can check it up by clicking onto the scenario of how it works. And further, note that there is a feature called VPS, Virtual Private Server, and you get to know more about it by clicking onto how it works. Basically, VPS helps execute auto trading whilst your computer is turned off. You can even purchase copy trade signals from MQL5 community just by registering yourself and logging into it from within MT5 or MT4 platforms. You can view the chart in 3 different modes: bar chart, candlestick, and line chart. But I do prefer candlestick chart. You can add more than one indicator to the charts. You can also save the style of the chart as a template, rename it, and save. You can apply chart templates to other charts to save time in setting them. You can maximize or unmaximize your chart just by one click, zoom in or zoom out. You can also undock your chart to move that chart onto another monitor screen, or dock it back just by clicking it. You can carry out the line studies with the help of customizable toolbar, or insert the objects of your choice from the insert menu. You can also save the workspace as a profile, save as, give it a new name, and move around the profiles as per your choice, just by a single click. Let's bring back another important window named as Toolbox in MT5 and as Terminal in MT4. In this window, you can see number of tabs which are self-explanatory. For example, you can create an alert for a particular price situation. You can see calendar, history of your orders, and the status of your open orders. Before proceeding ahead, let's first arrange our charts. Close the navigator window as we don't need it. You can place the new order from the toolbar or from within the toolbox window by right-clicking and selecting new order. Here you can see the symbol in which you would like to trade, the type of order which you would like to place, whether market or pending order. Within the pending order, you can select the subtype, that is buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, or sell stop limit. Below it, you can increase or decrease the volume, the price at which you would like to buy or sell, the stop loss, and the take profit limits. You can also place the orders from the Market Watch window by selecting trading option, and here you can see the trade buttons for each symbol you had previously selected, showing you high and low of the day, the spread in between, and the volume for which you will place an order for buy, for sell or buy. You can also place the order from within the chart by revealing the order button, which is pretty easy. Change the volume as per desire and place an order. Now in the order status window, you can see the details without the settings of the stop loss and take profit. You can change the stop loss and take profit values with the right click of the mouse and modifying the order and filling in the values whichever you want. Another way of setting the stop loss and take profit is just by dragging the order status within the chart and dragging it out. it automatically sets your stop loss and take profit values. There are two ways to close this order. One as a whole, just by crossing this, and other by partially taking the profit. And for that matter, you need to just right click, modify, go to market execution, change the volume, and press close. Here you can see that partially the order has been closed. If you want to fully close the order, just right click over here and the order has been closed. If you like my video and would like to get notified of my upcoming videos on how to trade successfully, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.